Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly change the aspect ratio of any video right inside VLC Media Player. This is super useful if you ever find that your video looks stretched, squished, or just not quite right on your screen. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch between several aspect ratios in seconds, making your viewing experience way better. No advanced settings or complicated editing required. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open your video in VLC Media Player just like you normally would. If you don't already have VLC open, just launch the app and either drag your video file into it or click Media and then Open File to find the video you want to play. Once the video is up on your screen and playing, you're all set for the next step. Now here, where it gets really easy, and honestly this is one of those shortcuts that once you know it, you'll use it all the time. Simply press the A key on your keyboard. Yep, that's it, just tap A while your video is playing and VLC will instantly change the aspect ratio. Each time you press A, it cycles through a list of preset aspect ratios. You'll see the video adjust shapes right before your eyes, sometimes going wider, sometimes taller depending on which option pops up. Take your time here and don't worry if it takes a few tries to find the look that works best. The idea is to keep pressing A, watching as VLC moves through the choices until you spot the one that fits your screen or matches your preference. For example, if your monitor is a widescreen, you might want 16:9 for the best fit, but some classic content looks great in 4:3. There's even a default setting, which will return the video to its original aspect ratio, just in case you want to see how it was intended. Let's talk a little bit about why this matters. Aspect ratio is basically the proportion between the width and the height of the image you're seeing. If you've ever watched an old movie on a modern TV and noticed black bars on the sides or top and bottom, well, that's because the aspect ratio doesn't match your screen. Cycling through these ratios using the keyboard shortcut lets you fine-tune how your video looks. It's a bit like resizing a picture frame. You want the photo to fill the space nicely without stretching anyone's face or cutting things off. Don't worry if you cycle through all the options and still do like how it looks. You can always go back to the default setting by pressing A until you see it pop up again. Also, if you accidentally pick something that looks strange or distorted, just keep pressing. The choices include 1, 1, 4, 3, 16, 9, 16, 10, 2, 21, 1, 2, 35, 1, 2, 39, 1, and even 5, 4, so there's a lot of flexibility. For widescreen movies, the 235, 1 or 239, 1 options are really helpful to avoid those annoying letterbox bars. Alright, once you found the aspect ratio that looks best for your video and your screen, you're done, that's all there is to it. This simple shortcut can make a world of difference, especially if you're juggling various video formats and different devices. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to hit like, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or get stuck. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more quick and practical tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.